Hello friends, in this video, I will show how to change the message color on your iPhone. So, let's watch the video till the end. The color of the message depends on its type. If the message color is blue, it indicates that you are sending messages through Apple devices. Both sender and receiver have Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, or Macs. These messages are sent via Wi-Fi or mobile data. The green message indicates that the sender has sent standard text messages via carrier to non-Apple devices. They use this when iMessage is unavailable. These messages use cellular networks and may incur SMS or MMS charges. According to Apple support, on iPhones with iOS 15 and later, you can't directly change the message color in the iMessage app. Switch between iMessage and SMS. You can only switch between iMessage and SMS. There are two methods for that. Let's see them. Method 1. Turn on iMessage. To do so, launch the settings on your iPhone. Scroll to the Apps section. Then, scroll down again and open the Messages settings. Here, turn on the toggle next to iMessage. Now, when you send a message on an Apple device, it sends a blue message. Method 2. Force to send as SMS. For Apple devices, we need to turn off the Wi-Fi network. Then, launch the messaging app on your iPhone. Open the message conversation. The number should be available in your contact list or non-Apple device. Then, type a message and send it. Over here, long press the message you just sent. Then, tap on Send as text message to turn it green. That's it. If you see Not Delivered written under the message, make sure you have activated the SMS plan. That's it. To send messages from Apple devices to non-Apple devices, open the Message app on your iPhone. Start a new conversation. Then, enter a number or select contact and send a message. By default, it sends as SMS. As we know, we can't change the iMessage color bubble, but we can modify the color scheme of the Messages app. Let's see the methods. Use dark mode. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to open Display and Brightness settings. Select Dark mode. That's it. Use color filters. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Accessibility settings. Then, tap on Display and Text size. Then, turn on the toggle next to Increase contrast. This will increase the contrast between the app's foreground and background colors. You can see the difference on my video screen. That's it. If you like more customization tips for the iMessage app, please write to us in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.